Hello guys, and welcome back to video number 2 on developing a Java calculator. I'm actually going to scoot my chair in for a second to get a little bit more comfortable here. Alright, so yeah. So if you did not watch the first video, I recommend you go to my channel and checking out the first video before following this video. But if you don't really want to, that's fine. Basically what we did was create a basic JFrame or GUI or whatever you want to call it here. You know, setting the things that we need to set here. We added a little menu bar with file on it. We will get the close button to work later, which won't take very long. We're sending everything right here in the constructor, and then you have the title here, and then we have the main method that's right here that creates a new instance of calculator and runs it. And then of course we have our fields and etc. So, you know, nothing too crazy. I did notice last video that the resolution was a little weird. I wouldn't say weird, but it was small. So hopefully the text will be a little bit more easier to read than the last video. Alright, anyways, I think what we're going to do first is we are going to make the close button work, because if we tried clicking it right now, nothing happens obviously. So we're going to go ahead and make the close button work. Basically, all it's going to do is close the application. So what we're going to do is close, and we're going to add an action listener, new action listener. We're going to go ahead and add the imports needed. Not really needed, but I'm going to go ahead and change that to E. And we're just going to do system.exit, and it's going to take a parameter of 0, which is, I think it's milliseconds? No, it's status. I don't know, just 0 anyways. We're going to go ahead and okay, keyboard. We're going to go ahead and add a star for the events too, because I'm sure we're going to use it a little bit more. Alright, so yeah, if we go ahead and save this and run it, obviously when we click close, boom, it works like a charm. Obviously you can sit here and you can also implement action listener, but the problem with that is then if you do that for like most listeners, then you have a bunch of override methods and stuff to use. It's just easier to do it like this, and it's much more cleaner, and I think it's a little bit more efficient. So that's why I'd rather do it like this. Of course. Also, if you look at the menu bar here, it's like this is the default Java theme, and I'd rather have it look like how my computer theme is. So what I would do here is create a try catch statement. Catch, I don't know when it's the catch first, but basically what we're going to do is UI manager. Let's see if I can remember a set. I think it's going to be this one. UI manager dot get system. Yeah, that's what we need right there. Yeah, I'll just do this. Much more simpler, and then surround with a try catch. Unsupported looking, I think that's what it was. I don't know, let's just do an exception then. All does the same thing. There's no point in printing anything. Hopefully nothing is going to get printed in at this point of the try and catch, but if it does, then could not load system look. And also we're going to do jframe dot set, yep, and then I'm pretty sure true. That's what we need as well. We're going to go ahead and save that. Maybe we should put this inside of the try. Nah, it's not really needed. And there you go. So basically what we did is right here. This works for the buttons, anything with like Java, I guess, with the menu and the close option. It sets it to your computer's theme, and this right here just sets the panel up here where it says calculator and everything. Actually, no, I don't think that's what it does. I think I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm just an idiot. That wasn't really needed, but that's useful for things like J option panes and stuff. So yeah. So that's what we needed right there. Just pretty good to make everything look a little bit more clean. So yeah, obviously that works. Alright, I think we're going to finish up the J menu bar, so we're going to, let's see what they have. I don't really, this is all a little too much. We're on the basics right now. There's really no point in paste, but we'll do a copy and we'll do those two. So we're going to do private J menu, and it's going to be edit, because that is what it is right here, is edit, and the next one is going to be help. So private J menu, and we're just going to name that help because that seems, best. Private J menu item, and this is going to go under the edit, so we're going to do copy, and then of course we have to do the last two items under help, which obviously were view, help, and the about. So we're going to do view, and we're going to do private J menu item and help. We can't do that. Actually, no, that's supposed to be about. I know that was a little bit some boring, tedious things there, but it's got to get done. And then obviously we have to add everything here. So we're going to do edit is equal to new J menu, and that's going to be edit, and help is equal to new J menu, help. Group those together, make it a little, make it nice and fancy. And then we also had copy, view, and about. So we're going to do copy is equal to new J menu item, copy. View is equal to new J menu item, view, help, and then about is equal to new J menu item, about calculator. I'm pretty sure that's all we need, but I'm an idiot, of course, so we have to add everything. Menu bar dot add, we add edit, menu bar dot add, and we need to add the help. We'll do all that in the second file dot add close, and then we need to do edit dot add which was copy for edit, and then help dot add, and for help it was view, and then that didn't make much sense, but also we need to do the about. Boom. Alright, so let's go ahead and run the calculator, and there we go. We now have view help, about calculator, we have copy and close. Obviously none of them will work, but they will soon. Alright, so we got all that out of the way. Now we want to go ahead and add action listeners for all of this. So we're going to do copy, we're also going to do view, we have to do about, so we have to add action listeners for all these. So add action listener. Basically the same code as the one that's above. I can't spell. There we go. Add unimplemented methods. We're just going to make that E. Unless we'll just go ahead and copy because I'm a little lazy to type all that out and speed up the video some. Alright, so we have all of those. So we need to add the copy, the view, and the about, which I will do in the next video. And so hopefully in the next video we will finish up the menu bar. So yeah, I'll see you guys there.